What's up, guys? VO Pilot Vash with another snack review. Yesterday we reviewed Choco Pie from South Korea, and today we are going to be reviewing Choco. I'm probably going to butcher this name. Choco Hiem from South Korea. Let's see how it is. Yeah, another hard ass package. Not what I was expecting. Something that says chocolate. Let's see, it kind of looks like a wafer. There's two of them in here. So they kind of look like nice little wafers. Let's take a bite into one and see how this tastes. Kind of looks like cardboard, but we'll see how it tastes. Not a very strong chocolate taste. But you see right here, there's a little bit of chocolate in there. Kind of tastes like a poor quality wafer with chocolate in the middle. Like, the wafer doesn't really have any flavor. And the chocolate taste is there. It's just really, really bitter. Oh, I hate to give another low score, but Korea's doing pretty bad on the snacks. So this is probably going to be my lowest score. We're going to give it a 1.5 out of 10. When I seen the packaging, I thought, oh, cool, chocolate bar. But, yeah, it just doesn't have a really good wafer taste. The chocolate, you can barely taste it. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And we'll do another review soon. Later, guys. Bye.